Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will then be able to easily access the airbox and change the filter. Using a thick flathead screwdriver, leave the spur that fixes the air filter cover so you can take it off. Push the air filter downwards. This should free the filter so you can pull on it and take it out. Take off the filter from the plastic rack. Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Replace it by inserting the new one into the rack. Insert the whole thing into the compartment. Lock it in place by pushing upward. Put the cover back on, taking care to place the spurs into the right places. Operation completed.